Hello and welcome to a new tutorial. My name is Daisy. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to cut and engrave on acrylic and how to make acrylic keychains using a laser engraver machine. And for this project, we're going to need a laser engraver machine. I will be using my Creality Falcon 2 22 watt laser engraver machine. 3mm acrylic. I will be cutting and engraving red and yellow acrylic and keychain accessories to make the acrylic keychains. I bought this on Amazon. I will link all of the supplies used in this tutorial in the video description below. I will start with the tutorial, but before I would like to invite you to please support my channel by subscribing and liking this video. I'm going to be using the Lightburn software to work with the design. I'm going to link it in the video description below. I will start working with the design and templates to cut the acrylic keychains. You can create your own templates or you can buy them online to make it easy if you wish. I will show you how to use both. The templates on the screen can be downloaded from my blog. They are free. First, I'm going to show you how to create a simple template. Click on the circle and draw a circle on the canvas. Click on the top arrow. Go to the size bar above, unlock it, and change the measurements. This circle is going to be 2.5 by 2.5 inches. Now we're going to add text. Click on the A on the left, then click on the canvas and start typing. I'm going to engrave the name, so I'm going to change the color. This one is going to be purple. The purple layer is going to be the engraving and the black layer is going to be the cut. Click on the font above if you wish to change the font. Now keep it selected. Click on one of the little squares around it and resize it. There you can also rotate it. Or we can resize it using the size bar above, just like we did with the circle. I'm going to click on the circle and I'm going to draw a little circle on top of the big circle. Now select all the layers, click on this icon over here, and we're going to align center. Now select the little circle and change the color to black. The black layer is going to be the cut and the purple one is going to be the engraving. Let's go to the layers. Click on the black layer and change it to line. Then click on the purple layer and change it to fill. And here we have the template to make a keychain. This is if you want to create your own. I'm not going to cut this one. I'm going to use some of the templates that I downloaded from my blog. If you would like to use any of these templates, I invite you to visit me on my blog, daisymultifacetica.com, and you can download them for free. Click on this icon to insert the templates to the canvas. Select the file and open it. This is an SVG file. Now we're going to change the parameters. Something very important when we're doing both, cutting and engraving. The engraving layer has to go on the top. Make sure all the engraving layers go at the top. Right click on the layer to move it. I'm going to click on the engraving layer and I'm going to change the parameters. And for the speed is going to be 3000 and power is going to be 20%. Now for the cut, speed is going to be 120 and power is going to be 55%. I'm going to cut this one on red acrylic And then I'm going to cut another ones in yellow acrylic. Now we're going to align the acrylic on the working area. These ones are the 3mm acrylic layers. They come with stickers on both sides, but to engrave and cut, I like to remove the sticker on the top and leave just the bottom, like this one. I'm not going to be cutting this one. I'm going to use a leftover material from another project. That is the advantage of making keychains, because they are small and you can use smaller pieces of acrylic. Like this, we don't waste material. For example, on this one, we can create 3 acrylic keychains. Next, we're going to adjust the level of the laser using this tool that came with the machine. Now let's go back to the computer and click on frame. Once the material is centered and aligned, let's go back to the computer and click on Start. When performing this cut, it's recommended that you wear protective glasses and fume mask. Remember, I'm going to link all of these materials in the video description below. And remember to place your machine on a well-ventilated area. It already finished with the engraving. Now it's cutting. Only requires one pass and it cuts it very well. Now just remove the sticker on the back. Then we're going to file the edges so they become smooth. For this, I like to use a nail buffing block. And it's ready. Now we're going to assemble the keychains. As you can see, it was very easy to cut acrylic using the Creality Falcon 2 22-watt laser engraver machine. And the keychains are gorgeous. You can make them for personal use, for gift, or to sell. I'm going to link all of the supplies used in this tutorial in the video description below. And I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial on how to cut and engrave on acrylic and how to make acrylic keychains. If you like this video, I invite you to please support my channel by subscribing, liking, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.